Hey lads, TechScanning is back with another informative video to save your ass if you have Samsung phone laying around you. So a few days ago, Mr. Who's the Boss aka Arun made a video about the stored Samsung phones. He has shown that the batteries of the Samsung phones are expanded and cracking their backs, starting from Note 7 Fan Edition to S20 Fan Edition, which is just 2 years old, but that's not it. This is also happening with the Samsung foldables. So the question is, are you in danger? No, it's only happening with the long ago stored phones. Those were not charged and used for years. If you have an old Samsung device that is not in use, just charge it after a couple of weeks and don't keep it in warm places and try to keep the battery at 50%. As it's happening with the Samsung phones only, therefore it should be an alarming situation for Samsung. But in reality, Samsung is not giving a shit about it. Long story short, 6 months ago, Arun posted a tweet about 3 Samsung flagship phones with their pregnant batteries. And so Samsung emailed him and asked him to send the phones for investigations. He sent the phones and asked for the protocols for these devices, but Samsung said nothing clear. Now, after 5 months, Samsung is just silent, not showing any attention here. But I still hope we will get a positive response from Samsung, as it is one of the biggest smartphone manufacturers. And that's it for today. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to receive the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.